A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to English class, and we're doing Gogol's first day. Gogol's first day by Jhumpa Lahiri. In previous tutorial, we have covered till paragraph number 9. And in today's tutorial, I'll be discussing rest of the story, some vocabulary words, and I'll be sharing some tips to write answers you need to write in the assignment. So let's get started. So dear students, before I start from paragraph number 11, I request everybody to take out your Gulmohar, page number 74. Ready? Alright. So as I already told you, this is a story taken from a novel, The Namesake, given by Jhumpa Lahiri only. This is just an extract. So basically the writer describes the whole episode through three main characters: Gogol, Mr. Ashok, Gogol's father, Miss Lepidus, principal of Gogol's new school. And you know what? All the characters react differently to the same situation. I hope everybody is aware of the situation. Same situation है, क्या situation है? Where Ashok, father of Gogol, wants to change Gogol's name in his new school. He wants to give him a new name called Nikhil. वो उसको नया नाम देना चाह रहा है उसके new school में, एक new country में, right? And the situation is same for all of them. Gogol के लिए, अशोक के लिए और Miss Lepidus, तीनों के लिए situation is similar. But everybody reacts differently. How? Gogol, he doesn't understand why he should be known Nikhil in school. उसे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा कि उसका नाम चेंज क्यों किया जा रहा है. Whereas Mr. Ashok, he thinks Gogol will be better accepted with the new name Nikhil. And Miss Lepidus, the principal, she doesn't understand the logic behind this new name. So let's understand the rest of the story and hope we'll get answers of all these questions, why everybody is behaving differently, which usually happens with everybody. We left the story where Mr. Ashok addresses his son as Gogol, which confuses Mrs. Lepidus. क्या confusion होता है? Because Mrs. Lepidus को कहा जाता है he is Nikhil, whereas he calls him Gogol in front of Mrs. Lepidus, and that leaves a confusion. So from paragraph 10, students pay attention. Oh, that is what we call him at home. किस चीज की बात हो रही है? Here we are talking about why is he being called Gogol. उसे Gogol क्यों बुलाया गया? तो वो justify करता है क्या कहकर कि Gogol हम उसको घर पे बुलाते हैं. But his good name is Nikhil. Mrs. Lepidus frowns. What does frown means? It means she is not convinced. This is just an expression. एक expression होता है जो क्या दिखाता है कि the person is not giving his or her approval. वो convinced नहीं है उस word से. Good name question mark. What does it show? It shows that there is no concept called good name there. मिसेस लेपिडस ने कभी ये चीज सुनी ही नहीं है कि गुड नेम नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. दिस इज जस्ट एन इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट वेयर वी यूज टू से गुड नेम, राइट? सो there seems to be some confusion, Mr. Ganguly. She says, according to these documents, your son's legal name is Gogol. So she verifies the documents and finds the name Gogol. Now in the documents, there is Gogol only. So Mrs. Lepidus, she wants him to be called Gogol, not Nikhil. Whereas Mr. Ganguly, he keeps trying giving his arguments. Why is he favoring the name Nikhil here? And then Mrs. Lepidus nods, the reason being. She is asking for the reason. What does it mean? The reason being means she is asking for the reason. I'm not sure I follow you, Mr. Ganguly. Many of the children go by the nicknames here. वो कहती है कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो उनकी बात मान जाएगी. क्यों? Because she is an American and cannot accept this mindset. The reasoning which Mr. Ganguly was giving, the pet name, the name we used to call at home, the good name in the school or any formal area, right? And whereas she says there are many children, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो वहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, and everybody, not everybody actually, many children, they go by their nickname only. Now this is paragraph number 25, right? When Ashok hands over the lunch box. This is paragraph number 25. And then after a moment hesitation, he's gone. Why is he being hesitated? Because he's still confused, because he wants to be called, his son to be called Nikhil, but he manages to leave. When they are alone, who are they here? They are means Mrs. Lepidus and Gogol. Mrs. Lepidus asks, "Are you happy to be entering elementary school, Gogol?" See now, why I have made it red, because Mrs. Lepidus here calls him Gogol, not Nikhil, which clearly expresses the situation that Mrs. Lepidus, she accepts him as Gogol, his nickname. Do you want to be called by Gogol? Now she is asking, she wants to know Gogol's wish. Gogol's क्या चाहता है, वो ये जानना चाहती हैं. After a pause, he says a no. Gogol क्या कहता है? नहीं. After a pause means उसने एक pause लिया, एक halt लिया, वो रुका. Then it's settled. Then it's settled means it is decided. Can you write your name on the piece of paper? Mrs. Lepidus asks Gogol him to write his name on a piece of paper. She is basically trying to distract the boy from this confusion, and she wants that he should feel comfortable. What a beautiful penmanship you have, Mrs. Lepidus says. She takes Gogol by the hand and the walk down a hallway with the printed cement walls. So penmanship means handwriting. She praises the boy's hand here, and she takes the boy to the building, to the hallway with the printed cemented walls. उसके classroom तक उसको वो लेके जाती हैं, and what she does before that, she tears up the old registration form and writes his new name, Gogol, right? And she opens the door and Gogol is introduced to his teacher, Miss Watkins. Next paragraph. Now this explains the scenario in the classroom. Classroom कैसा था? Inside the classroom, it is a small universe of nicknames. Andrew is Andy, William is Billy. It is nothing like the schooling Gogol's parents have known. What does it mean? It clearly indicates that the way Mrs. Lepidus mentioned previously, that their children are accepted by their nicknames also. So there was a child named Andrew. He is known as Andy. Alexandra is Sandy. William is Billy. Elizabeth is Lizzie. These all names are mentioned in your book, like the fountain pens, polished black shoes, and the notebooks, and the good names, and sir or madam at a young age. It indicates the typical schooling, or maybe the Indian schooling we have here. Basically the formal system, everything is to be organized, but everything is informal. They accept everything the way it is. कुछ भी आर्टिफिशियल नहीं है. अगर निकनेम से बुलाया जाता है तो वो निकनेम को ही एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. देयर इज नो यूनिफॉर्म काइंड ऑफ थिंग. देयर इज नो सर और मैडम. But here in India, and the way Gogol's parents have known the schooling used to be. So this is bit different. Maybe this is the difference that tells us that the mindset Gogol's parents have and Mrs. Lepidus, because of cultural differences, right? So next paragraph, paragraph number 34, very interesting. These blue lines, this will answer the question that come to my mind, and I am sure that it must come to your mind as well. At the end of his first day, he is sent home with a letter to his parents from Mrs. Lepidus, explaining that due to their son's preference, he will be known as Gogol at school. See how flexible their system is. They are asking Gogol, what name does he prefer? कौन सा name वो prefer करता है? And they are happily accepting his name as Gogol here. तो वो letter जो है उसके घर पे जाता है, and how the parents react, because here parents का जो mindset था वो follow नहीं हो पाया, उसको वो accept नहीं कर पाए. Parents feel bit uncomfortable, but they feel comfortable also. How? Pressing the issue. Paragraph number 34, look at your book. प्रेसिंग द इशू मीन्स उन्होंने उस बात को बहुत ज्यादा हाईलाइट नहीं किया. एंड क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि उनके पास चॉइस ही नहीं थी. सो दे हैव नो चॉइस बट टू गिव इन. सो दे सिंपली एक्सेप्ट व्हाट स्कूल सेंड्स टू them, his name as Gogol. They were okay with it. And so Gogol's education begins. So this was how his first day to school, कैसे उन्होंने interaction किया, how they presented the name, and how Mrs. Lepidus, she accepts the name. Everything was different. So Gogol's education begins here, and day after day he brings his creation home to Ashima. Who is Ashima? The mother, who hangs them proudly on refrigerator doors. वो कैसे वन बाय वन डे आफ्टर डे अपना क्रिएशंस जो भी जिस भी तरह का काम वो स्कूल में करता था, ही यूज टू ब्रिंग इट एट होम. और जो आशिमा है वो उसको बहुत हैप्पीली उसको कहीं ना कहीं उसको पिन कर देती थी. So that's how he was enjoying his name Gogol. And in the last paragraph in your book, do you know what he used to do? He means Gogol कि वो क्या करता था? विद एवरी क्रिएशन, हर एक क्रिएशन के साथ वो जो कुछ भी बनाता था, सपोजिंग उसने अगर कुछ कार्ड बनाया है, ही यूज टू साइन इट बाय राइटिंग इट गगोल जी. गगोल जी मीन्स गगोल गांगुली. ही साइंस हिज वर्क in the lower right hand corner as if there were a need to distinguish him any other Gogol in the school. And basically it indicates that how lovingly he loves his name, and he wants that he is to be called Gogol, not by any other name. So that's all about the story. Students, now we'll discuss some vocabulary words. And the first word is frown, an expression indicating disapproval. Frown is basically a facial expression जिसमें आपके eyebrows इकट्ठी हो जाते हैं, which shows that there is some confusion or you are giving some disapproval to the situation. My friend looks up at me with a frown. Second is good name. Many times we have used this term, good name. Name used on legal documents. Basically it is called a legal name. What is your good name? This can be the sentence. The reason being means a way of asking what is the reason. जब हम किसी से कोई reason पूछते हैं तो we can use the term the reason being. I cannot go to school. The reason being this corona pandemic. Grow accustomed means get used to. उसका उस चीज का used to हो जाना. It takes time to grow accustomed to the new environment. नए environment में को adapt करने में टाइम लगता है, उसको यूज टू होने में टाइम लगता है. इट इज सेटल्ड, इट इज डिसाइडेड. इट इज सेटल्ड दैट ही विल बी कमिंग टुमारो मीन्स डिसाइडेड है दैट ही विल बी कमिंग टुमारो. पेनमैनशिप इज हैंडराइटिंग. आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड. इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू लर्न द पेनमैनशिप. These are some vocabulary words we have used in the lesson. Now this is your assignment. Let's take a look. I'll be sharing some tips how to write answers to the questions given in the assignment. First of all, you read the lesson properly. You need to attempt the questions, all these questions given in red. You have to read the lesson properly and answer the following questions in 30 to 40 words. Take help of hint box to frame answers. आपको hint box given है. इन सभी के साथ आपको येलो कलर में एक hint box given है. You can take help to frame your answers. So first one is done for you. Why was Gogol very unhappy about a new name given to him? Right? Gogol जो है वो खुश क्यों नहीं था with the new name? अब ये तो आपको पता है कि वो खुश क्यों नहीं था, लेकिन how to write, how to write those expressions in answer, that too in 30 to 40 words. Basically 3 to 4 lines. So hint box is given. Not want himself to be called Nikhil. Family knew him as Gogol. Not used to, not want to look at himself as stranger. ये सब चीजें थी जो गोगोल के दिमाग में चल रही थी कि वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही डजंट वांट हिमसेल्फ टू बी कॉल्ड निखिल. सेकेंडली उसकी फैमिली उसको किस नाम से जानती थी? गोगोल के नाम से. एंड वो यूज टू नहीं था. देयर इज every expression is being separated with using a comma. So try to frame the phrase into a sentence hint-wise, right? Right. Now we'll write the answer. How to write the answer? Whenever there is a question start with why, there is some reason
question is asking. So we have to connect the sentence using because, right? We'll write Gogol was very unhappy about a new name given to him because. Now usage of tense, because this is in past tense, we'll use preferably we'll be using past tense only, because he did not want, पहला हमने यही लिया phrase, he did not want himself to be called Nikhil just in school, while everyone in family knew him as Gogol. Second expression covered here. Now the third hint is not used to. So you can write here. Also he was not used to the new name. And the last hint is not want to look at himself as stranger. And he did not want to look at himself as a stranger. But minded students, see, I have framed this answer for all of you using the hint in the same way. There is second question, there is hint box given. There is third question, there is hint box given, right? So it is not necessary every time that you have to use all the expressions. आप अपनी तरफ से भी कुछ phrases add कर सकते हो, or you can take simply these phrases as it is, so that आप एक clear mindset के साथ उस answer को attempt करिए. So students, attempt it well and send it to your subject teachers. Thank you very much.